Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Yes, I am filming this the same day that it's being uploaded. Because this last weekend was a vlog fail. Nicole and I really just wanted to spend the weekend just having fun, and I didn't really want to bring a camera around with me. On Saturday, we actually went to a festival, a carnival, so to speak. We walked around a lot of booths, we rode a lot of rides, and I've got some footage of that coming up from my phone because I didn't bring my camera. And we also rode on a helicopter, which was amazing. We loved it. It was like a 3 to 4 minute ride over the top of like our town and surrounding areas, so it was awesome. We played some carnival games, which we don't normally do because honestly they're a big waste of money, but even though I'm a terrible shot, I was able to win Nicole a little clownfish that's purple, stuffed animal, and she won me an orange dog that's about, I don't know, the size of my hand or so. I wish I had them with me. They were in our car. But, so that's all the footage that I have for Saturday, but that's coming up. And then Sunday, we went to my mom's house. We kind of spent Sunday relaxing around our own house and cleaning, watching TV. So I didn't have much footage from that day either. But I wanted to upload something. Oh yeah?
What's that?
What are you playing with?
What is that? Lisa Frank? Take a bet, Lisa Frank.
I have no idea.
Oh. Okay. Take a bet.
Is it not?
Lisa Frank. Look at the eyes! Holy.
Is that a hedgehog?
It looks like a... Our mom did.
$10. $10.
Whoa!
Chloe! Hey, what's up? Look here.
Yeah.
You want to go on the side?
She only had this one. Everything.
You want to go on the side?
Go, Chloe, go!
Oh, Mr. That's so cute. Is that yours?
Yay!
You do it. Do it how I go.
We are down at my mom and dad's to eat dinner. It is Sunday. Oh, you got both.
You do it. Oh, I mean, hold on, let me slide. You do it. Here. Go.
Go, Chloe, go! Go, Chloe, go! Woo!
Good job.
You doing your basil?
Yeah.
Did you catch the oven on fire?
No.
Just the microwave?
No, yesterday. What are you doing? I thought you were actually talking to me.
I am talking to you.
Yeah, she loved you.
I am talking to you.
Yeah, you're videoing me But it's to preserve memories. One day you'll look back on this video.
I bet Mom can can that tape.
She can can the tape.
Said preserve it.
Oh. Can you can my video?
Are you swinging?
Yeah, Dad said it was 6:25. Bye. That one shouldn't have back one.
Thank you guys for sticking around and watching these videos. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them and editing them and posting them. So comment below if you guys have any questions regarding our TTC journey and everything that's going on. Give this video a like if you enjoy it, and subscribe to this channel to see more of us and more of our journey. Thanks guys. See you guys next weekend.
So, excuse this terrible lighting in this parking garage.
Yeah.
But, so we just left our doctor's appointment. So it's a 2-week post-op